Hi, I'm Ian, founder of Hubcredo. When I meet sales and marketing people, there are two kinds: those who are super excited about AI, and those who think that AI is just a fad. Now, I've been doing sales and marketing automation projects for the last 2 years, and honestly, the entire B2B sales landscape is changing faster than most people realize. After working with 30 plus companies, we have now a solid understanding of where AI actually works in sales and marketing. AI has its impact, and smart people are using it in the right places. Here are a few areas where AI is genuinely helping. AI can really help in prospecting. From building a lead database, doing prospect research, scoring leads, AI is removing a lot of manual work. Tools like Clay and Apollo use AI and waterfall enrichment to give you insights that earlier required a full team. If you are running on a tight budget, you can build your own system using just NA10, OpenAI or cloud, and a scraper. It's surprisingly powerful. AI can prepare you for client meetings. Using the projects feature in ChatGPT, you can upload your company's offerings, case studies, and past proposals. Before any meeting, you can ask AI to personalize a pitch for that specific client. It gives you talking points, objections, and a structure that makes you sound 10 times more prepared. Now let's talk how AI helps in writing emails and outreach. This is a big one. AI can help you write personalized emails at scale. You can connect your CRM, your ICP, and past conversations and generate outreach that actually sounds human, not robotic. Companies using this smartly are getting 2 to 3 times better reply rates. And we also use AI for sales workflows and follow ups. The truth is, most salespeople lose deals because they forget to follow up. AI agents can now track your pipeline, remind you when to follow up, draft the exact message, and even update your CRM automatically. Zero manual work. So here's my honest take: AI is not replacing salespeople, it's replacing salespeople who refuse to adapt. The top performers I meet aren't scared of AI, they are using it as their competitive advantage. If you are in sales or marketing, now is the best time to learn how to use these tools. Because the companies adopting AI today will dominate in the next 5 years. If you want more videos on real AI use cases in B2B sales, hit subscribe and drop your questions in the comments. I'd love to help.